Is it true that instead of calling your fans Army, you were originally going to call them Bell?
True? Yeah, it's kind of true because, you know, when you say BTS, it stands for Bangtan in Korean, not behind the scene. I mean, for your information. It stands for Bangtan. And when you say Bell in Korean, it sounds like Bangul. So it starts with the same word, bang.
Bang.
Oh. So when we think of the fan name, somebody brings up the idea, like, what about the bell? Then, you know, it's like kind of like a, hi, Bell! Everybody brings their bells and like, make some noise! And they're like, bells like, ring-a-ling-a-ling! But thank God that it has not, you know, Army is so much better, yeah.
Can you imagine everyone bringing bells to the concerts? Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. All right, V, is it true that you never actually intended on auditioning for BTS? You just went to the audition to support your friend.
Swag.
True. Yes.
What happened to your friend?
탈락했죠.
RM, you're the leader of BTS, but is it true that you're also the clumsiest member of BTS?
I guess so.
Jungkook, you are known for being great at everything. This is the rumor. You're great at singing. You're great at dancing. You're perfect at video games. Is there anything you're not good at?
Swag.
일단 it was not true. 저도 못하는 거 많은데 굳이 하나 못하는 거 있다면은 약간 집중력이 없는 거. 제가 좋아하는 거 빼면은 좋아하는 거 말고는 집중을 거의 못해요.
그 멤버들한테 집중을 안 해요.
Nah. Suga, is it true that the first album you bought was an Eminem CD? And what did your parents think of it?
일단 저도 그 가사 그때 당시만 해도 이제 지금으로부터 한 6년, 15년 전이니까 가사 해석 이런 게 없었어요. 그러니까 나도 못 알아듣는
뭔 말인지 모르지.
나도 무슨 말인지 못 알아들었고 뭐 부모님이 당연히 뭔 말인지 못 알아들을 테니 사실 큰 문제는 없었는데.
J-Hope, I haven't heard enough from you.
Whoa.
Haven't heard enough from J-Hope. Is it true that you consider yourself the most fashionable member of BTS? Listen to the crowd. Listen to the audience. Let them speak for you. That's what I'm talking about.
Absolutely. Yeah. Now I'm wearing nice hoodie, shirt pants, and sleeper, and with socks. Yeah.
Finally, you guys have been together for 8 years. What's the most surprising thing you've learned about each other in that time?
Oh, V sleeps with his eyes open.
이걸.
Yeah.
That's it?
남준이 운동을 너무 많이 해가지고 막 몸이 헐크 같아요.
That's not true.
Hey.
Stop the rumors.